So let's discuss what is poster. Poster is a creative art which helps the audience to understand the message of the poster. It gives an appealing message to the audience in which the poster wants to say something to the audience, and by watching that picture the audience understand what exactly they want. And yes, of course there are relevant information in it, but the message should be clear from the picture. Now let's discuss what is the marking scheme of the poster. Poster making has got 4 marks. 1 mark for content format, 2 mark for content, and 1 mark for creativity. That becomes your 4 marks. Now types of poster. We have got 2 types of poster. First type or category of poster which has got appealing, some kind of request or some kind of message for the audience. And second is for some kind of invitation, carnivals, fest. So these 2 types of posters can be made. Now let's discuss the format of poster. Format of poster is on the board. You can see it. Now let's discuss what are the important information you have to feed in. First, name of the issuing authority. Here you can write down the name of the school. Next, tagline. Yes, tagline of the poster. It can be like donate blood and save life, and or you can say save life and donate blood.